Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll pick a concept in Tableau, highlighting the color above and below reference line in a particular graph. I will take you an example with our own data set. I will demo in a Tableau. Before that, if you like my YouTube video, today's video and all other videos, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. My channel name is I will do it forever. And even you can send email to I will do it forever at the rate gmail.com for any clarifications. I try to reply personally to you. So let's look into what we want to do today. So you may not get it now, but just try to follow my video till the end so you will understand what I'm going to tell today. So let's take a case scenario. You will be walking daily and you will count your steps. So let me take from December 1st, 2019, and let me add one day, and let's consider for the uh, last month. Okay, so and just imagine you walk like 2000 steps, 5000, and sometime 8000, 10,000. So let's pick some value, random value between 2000 to 10,000. So let me have that till end. So and copy and paste them as a value just to remove the formula. So this will become your sample data set for today's demo. So in December month, these many steps daily you have walked. So let's fetch this information in Tableau. So let me open the Tableau public. Okay, let's fetch that from the Excel. It's already there. So you will get the same data here. So let's include this step count. Okay, so you can see the same data. Let's get into sheet. So let's have this, select both, and show me you get this bar chart. Click on that. So it will create the graph automatically. So now, right, so it's a year. So convert that to exact date and just do a swap of row to column, column to row. So this is how you get. So for timing, let's make this as a discrete for a, okay. So let's this is the 1st December till 31st December. These are the step you walked per day. So even you can have that step count above. These are the number of steps. So here the idea, right? So here, so how to, first before that we need to add some reference line. So imagine like you have kept a target per day. So let's create that a parameter. Okay, so say daily target. So for timing you keep as 3000 steps per day. Okay, so let's make it as integer. So let's click OK. Now you can see this parameter. Click on show parameter so that you can alter this value and come to analytics. Can we see this reference line? Bring that into the chart and you can see the average. So here, right, the value, you select this daily target parameter. So click on OK. So you can see this being added here. So let's highlight that with some kind of yellow color so that you can see that, make it 100% yellow color. So now you see that here, right? So now you can change this 3000 to 5000. So you can see that is being changed, correct? So now, so above this target you can highlight with a green. I'm not talking about the bar. I'm talking about the background color. And below this, you can highlight with the red. How to do that? Simple. Click on this and you can see the format, fill above and fill below. So what we want to fill above? Fill above is a green. Can you see that is being reflected? And fill down is a red. So you can see this. And for better view, you can change the color of this to something like a white or like anything which feels good for you. So like kind of gray looks good for a eye. Yeah. And even you can, if you want, you can change this to small. So now uh, with this, right? So now you can change this and you can see the color is dynamically changing above and below that uh, targeted value. So I just make 2000. So yeah, can you see this line came down to 2000 and you can see the green and yellow. So this is how we make this feature of highlighting above. One second, let me select that. Okay, let me select. Yeah, fill above, fill below, feature in Tableau to highlight with different color. It's kind of a zone, you can use it. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.